Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest gadgets and how to use them like a pro. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to take a high-quality passport photo using your Samsung S23 Ultra. With 2025 just around the corner, getting your passport sorted has never been easier right from your phone. Passport photos need to meet specific guidelines, like a plain background, neutral expression, and the right dimensions, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, prepare your setup. Find a well-lit area with even lighting to avoid shadows on your face. Use a plain white wall or a backdrop for that official look. Make sure your face is clearly visible, and wear clothes that aren't too patterned. Think solid colors to keep it simple. Now, grab your Samsung S23 Ultra. Open the camera app. It's the one with the camera icon on your home screen. Switch to the rear camera for the best quality. Tap the switch icon if you're on the front one. Set your resolution to the highest available, like 200 megapixels if your phone supports it, to capture all the details crisply. Next, position yourself about 2 feet from the camera. Use a tripod or prop your phone up steadily to keep it level with your eyes. Remember, passport photos require a full face view, so center your head in the frame. Adjust the settings. Turn on the grid lines for better composition and ensure the flash is off to avoid harsh lighting. Time to snap the shot. Strike a neutral expression. No smiling or frowning, and keep your eyes open and looking straight ahead. Take a few photos to be safe, then review them in the gallery. Zoom in to check for any blurs or imperfections. If needed, use the built-in photo editor on your S23 Ultra to crop the image to the standard passport size, usually 2 by 2 inches or 5 by 5 centimeters. Make sure the file is in JPEG format and meets the resolution requirements for your country's passport office. And there you have it. You've just taken a professional-grade passport photo without leaving home. This method saves time and money, especially with 2025's potential digital upgrades. If you try this out, let us know in the comments how it went. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.